Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a GIF using Snipping tool. Okay, first of all guys, you can prepare your Snipping tool application on your computer, and then I'm going to create a GIF using this video. For example, I'm going to play this video and I'm going to screen record with the Snipping tool. Okay, I'm going to create a GIF with this video, and I'm going to activate my snipping tool, and I'm just going to record this part. Okay, done. And then I'm going to click on start. Okay, and I'm gonna play it. Alright, like this. And then I'm going to save it. And if you want to turn this video into a GIF, you can click on this GIF option, and then you can choose the quality. I'm going to choose the high quality, and then we can click on export, and you can name your GIF. I'm going to name it dark. Okay, and I'm going to click on save. And now the GIF is being exported. Okay, it's almost done, and if you want to check it, you can go to your file explorer, and I'm going to open up my screen recordings, and as you can see, this is the GIF I have just created, this one. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.